In today's video, I'm going to teach you what the Math Mode plugin does. If you take notes in Joplin and want your mathematical expressions to look clean and professional, this plugin is designed for you. It brings latex-style math rendering right into your notes, so you can write math the way you think about it and see it displayed beautifully. It supports quick inline math that flows within a sentence, full display equations for emphasis, and a wide range of mathematical symbols and structures. Let's start by getting the plugin installed. Open Joplin on your desktop and head to the menu at the top. Choose Tools, then Options. In the Options window, click the Plugins section to open Joplin's Plugin Manager. Use the search bar to look for Math Mode. When you see it in the results, click Install. Joplin will prompt you to restart, and that restart is important. It finalizes the installation and loads the rendering engine, so take a moment to let the app close and open again before moving on. After Joplin restarts, you'll confirm that it's active. Go back to Tools, then Options, and open the Plugins page one more time. Find Math Mode in your installed list and make sure it's enabled. If it isn't, toggle it on. Keeping it enabled ensures your notes will render math instead of showing raw markup. If you ever turn it off, your formulas will show as plain text until you re-enable it. Now you're ready to use inline math. Type your formula right where you want it to appear inside a sentence in your note. As you write, or when you view the note in the preview or split view, you'll see it render as a clean formatted equation instead of raw symbols. Inline math is best for short expressions that complement what you're saying, like a variable definition or a compact formula. It helps your writing read naturally, keeps your document tidy, and avoids breaking the flow of a paragraph. If the rendering doesn't appear right away, make sure Math Mode is still enabled. Check that you're looking at the preview or split view, and give the note a moment to refresh. That's everything you need to get started. Install the plugin, enable it, and start writing inline math directly in your Joplin notes. With Math Mode, your mathematical content becomes clearer and more readable, and you can keep your focus where it belongs, on your ideas.